In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in Xero. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident in managing your purchase orders efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First, we begin by opening the Xero website on your web browser. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as you'll need to enter them to access your account. Once you're logged in and at your Xero dashboard, you'll notice various features and tools available to you. We're specifically interested in navigating to our Purchases section today. On your dashboard, locate and click on the Purchases tab. This is your go-to place for managing anything related to purchases, whether it be creating new purchase orders, monitoring existing ones, or managing bills. By clicking on Purchases, you'll open up the central hub from where all purchasing activities are coordinated. Next, from within the Purchases section, find and click on Purchase Orders. This area is dedicated to helping you organize and track your purchase orders efficiently, offering a seamless way to interact with vendors and manage orders beyond just the invoices and bills. By choosing Purchase Orders, you're one step closer to creating your new order. Now, you'll want to click on New Purchase Order. Clicking this button sets the stage for establishing a new order, where you'll be able to detail specifics like supplier information, dates, and order particulars. At this point, you'll see a new purchase order page appear. Look for the section labeled Contact. Here, you need to enter the necessary contact information for the vendor or supplier from whom you are purchasing goods or services. If you've dealt with this vendor before, Xero may have saved their details, which can make this process a bit faster. Once you've got your contacts sorted, it's time to focus on the dates. Select the date you wish the order to be effective from. This can be today's date, or you can plan ahead, depending on your needs. Additionally, there's the delivery date option, where you specify when you want the purchased items delivered. Ensuring these dates are accurate will facilitate smoother processing of the purchase order and better communication with your vendor. With the contact and dates set, you're ready to fill in the details of your purchase order. Include all necessary particulars like the item descriptions, quantities, and any reference numbers or pricing agreed upon. Taking the time to input accurate information here minimizes any likelihood of error or miscommunication later. Finally, after thoroughly reviewing all the information you've entered for accuracy and completeness, you have the choice to either save or approve the purchase order. Saving allows you to come back and finalize the order later, while approving marks it as ready to go, signaling the vendor to progress with the order. And there you have it. You've successfully created a purchase order in Xero. Remember, staying organized with your orders ensures smoother transactions and helps maintain good vendor relationships. Thanks for watching and happy ordering.